In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move the header menu to the right side of the screen in Shopify, specifically using the Dawn theme. This process involves making some changes to the theme's CSS file, allowing you to reposition the menu to better suit your design or branding needs. Don't worry if this sounds a little technical at first. I'll walk you through each step, making sure everything is clear and straightforward. To begin, the first thing you'll want to do is access your theme editor. Start by logging into your Shopify admin portal. Once you're in, navigate over to the online store, and then click on Themes. You'll see your active theme listed there. Beside it, there's a button labeled Actions. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Edit Code. This will open up the code editor, where you'll be able to access all the files associated with your theme. Now that you've accessed the theme editor, let's locate the CSS file you'll need to modify. You want to look for the file named base.css, which you can find within the Assets folder. This file contains all the CSS rules that govern the visual styling of your theme. With the base.css file open, we can now add or modify the CSS rules needed to move the menu. First, you'll need to identify the menu element within the code. Typically, for the Dawn theme, this menu element is found within a header tag and might have a class like header inline menu. This is where we'll focus our modifications. To push the menu to the right, you can use the CSS property justify self, end, or alternatively, text align right. These commands instruct the browser to align the menu on the right side of its containing element. However, if you find that the default layout is interfering, you might also need to apply position, absolute, and right 0 to ensure the menu is placed exactly where you want it. Additionally, depending on your design preferences, you may want this menu alignment to only apply to larger screens. In such cases, consider wrapping your CSS changes in a media query. This is a CSS technique that applies styles only to certain screen sizes. For example, you can use @media, min-width 990px, to apply your styling changes only when the browser's width is 990 pixels or more. Once you've made these changes, click the Save button to ensure your CSS modifications are applied. Keep in mind that the exact rules you need might vary slightly based on your specific theme settings or any customizations you may have previously implemented. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to consult the theme's documentation or seek advice from the Shopify community forums for further assistance. And there you have it. With these changes, your header menu will now gracefully sit on the right side of your screen, tailored perfectly to your website's design needs. Thank you for watching, and as always, feel free to reach out for more tutorials and tips.